Ala, triple. Oops. Agay! Agay! Nobis final. So naagay po na rin sa Liboron, Karkar City, Cebu. Wow, nagaw na Joshua Tabas, Picho Nadila. Ikatulo. Wow. Uy, isa pala, katigaw na muna. Gervin Joshua Tabas versus Picho Nadila. Battle of first. Sumemplang Gervin Pipito. Ala, triple. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Joji Basco on fourth. Ikalima, Nino Basco. Ito araw. Wow, one third. Lobes production final, Lobes production final. Wow. Allah. Battle of first. Tuara. Oops. Allah. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Joji Basco, Nino Basco. Battle of first up. Bakbakan ito na mag-up. Wow, wow, wow. Lobes production final, Lobes production final. Followed by Picho Nadila, followed by Chico Giron, followed by Big Dog Yapon on second. Allah, inside outside, inside outside. Wow, wow, wow. Oh, wow. Wala, triple. Joshua Tabas versus Picho Nadila. Battle of first. Patis-patis pa siya. Allah. Wow. Nino Basco on fourth. Battle of third. Tuara. Grabe, dikit ang laban, no? Wow, 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 wow. Tara, battle of first, no? Battle of first, battle of first. Tuara. Wow. Basco third. Ala, inside outside. Ah! Wow! Grabe ba eh. CRF versus CRF. Ala, inside outside. Joshua Tamas versus Pigeon Nadila. Bar to bar. Ay, wakalupad. Agay. Short. Okay. Ala. Grabe pagpakanay ba eh. White flag na, white flag. Ala, triple. Oops. Agay. Dalia. Agay, Joshua Tapas. Tuara. Wow. Grabe. Woo! Una na kabarog, Pigeon Nadila. Tuara. Kana si Joshua Tapas. Kato Pigeon Nadila. Checkered. Oops. Checkered. Third, Nino Basco. Minsan mo champion na ni, magandang laban bay.
Buat sila. Wala.